In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a video block to your web page. This simple yet crucial step can enhance your online content by adding a dynamic element that engages more effectively with your audience. Whether you're using YouTube or Vimeo for your video hosting needs, this guide will show you how to integrate it onto your site with ease. Let's begin by finding the perfect spot on your web page for your video block. It's best to choose an area that naturally draws attention, such as the top or center of your page, where visitors are most likely to look first. A well-placed video can capture your audience's interest immediately, making it essential to consider its positioning carefully. Next, you'll want to ensure you have the URL of your chosen video ready. This could either be from YouTube or Vimeo, depending on your preference. If you haven't yet chosen a video, take a moment to decide on content that aligns with the themes of your webpage and resonates with your target audience. Remember, the right video can significantly enhance the message you wish to convey. Once you've pinpointed where you'd like your video block to go, you'll navigate to your webpage editor. This is where the magic happens. Look for an option labeled something like Add Video Block or simply Add Video. The terminology can differ slightly depending on the platform you're using, but it should be straightforward to recognize. After selecting this option, a prompt will typically appear asking you to enter the video's URL. This is where you'll paste the YouTube or Vimeo link you prepared earlier. Make sure that the link is correct to avoid embedding issues, and double check that the video you're inserting fits the context of your content beautifully. Now it's time to hit the save button, cementing your changes. This step is critical as it ensures your new video block is integrated into your site and visible to your visitors. Before you proceed, take a moment to preview your page, ensuring that everything appears as intended. Seeing the video in action within the actual page layout can help you to assess its visual impact and make necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the placement and function of your video block, you've successfully enhanced your web page with an engaging video feature. Not only does this make your page visually appealing, but it also offers a richer, more interactive experience for your audience. So go ahead, implement these steps, and watch your web page come to life.